Last part of our video series, how to conduct a super profitable sales webinar. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great, and if you haven't seen the part 1 and the part 2, please go in the links are in the description, somewhere here as well. Go there, watch the video, implement those stuffs, make notes, come to the video again. Okay, so do that if you haven't seen it, and if you have seen it, let's jump right in. So let me summarize it before that, before coming to the 11th point, the 10th point which we discussed. First is start with excitement. Second is engage with your audience. Third is what is in it for me. Fourth is appreciate your target audience, appreciate the people who are in the webinar. Fifth is set the guidelines. Sixth is why this is important and what they are going to lose if they do not learn this skill. Seventh is share your story. Eighth is share the content. Ninth is keep on showing testimonial, and 10th is create a sales bridge. Okay, in the 11th point we are going to discuss, right, okay, we have already filtered out the non-serious people. Now we are going to discuss like how to actually give the offer. Okay, so whatever the consulting you have, whatever the price value you feel that that is the price value, right? Okay, for example, you are actually selling online course and you feel like the content should be of a power of 8 to 10,000 rupees. So you actually want to sell it for 5,000 rupees. So how you are actually going to do it, right? Okay. First of all, increase the price, right? Okay. What should be the value? Like let's say you are mentioning the price for 10k. Okay. In the starting you are mentioning the price for 10k. So offer the price, offer the value, and mention what all you are going to cover. Please understand, you have to mention what all points you are going to cover in your online course, maybe in your workshop, maybe into your one-to-one consulting, whatever you are doing, right? So you have to mention all the steps there. Okay, ask people, again it's an engagement thing. Ask people how many people are here who really want bonuses and really some good stuffs along with this particular course and or workshop. So people say yes. Then you start giving some good real bonuses, and that bonuses should be of content driven, right? If like it's a workshop, maybe you are doing a 5-day workshop, you can give a bonus of one-to-one consulting. Maybe you can give a bonus of what's a mentoring. Maybe you can give us a bonus of particular topic which you will be covering, right? And that is for some special people only, right? In your one-to-one webinar or whatever you are doing. So give those bonuses, 3 to 4 good bonuses, right? So that people understand that yes, they are going to take the action if they are going to get all these bonuses. Create a sense of urgency by reducing the price just by half. For example, you are selling it for 10,000 by actually keep on adding the value, the whole content of the bundle comes at 40,000 or something. Then you said that all the bonuses will be free, and the 10,000 particular rupees product, in the next 15 minutes I am going to give all these bonuses, and the price for next 15 minutes is just 5,000 rupees. And this is a link, and once this particular link is over, 15 minutes is over, either you can create a sense of urgency by mentioning a time foundation or a number foundation, right? For example, you can say for next 15 minutes, and for most important, for next 10 people only, these bonuses will be valid. Okay, so you can actually create a sense of urgency during the webinar, because trust me, people when understand the value, people are emotionally connected and they are going to take the actions. The main thing is to actually give them value, create sense of urgency, and close people then and there itself. And once the people are actually registering for your workshop or online course, appreciate them, that thank you so much for registering to our online workshop. I commit myself to your success. Appreciate them and connect with them, that where are you from, how exciting you are feeling, just type in the comment box, connect with them, right? Okay, make that bond so that they feel that yes, I know this person now. And use these 15 points. I'm going to repeat it again so that it gets to your mind again. Okay, watch the video again if you haven't understood, but these are the 15 points. First is start with excitement. Second is engage with the audience. Third is what is in it for me. Fourth is appreciate your audience. Fifth is set the guidelines correct. Sixth is why this is important, what they are going to lose. 7th is share your story. 8th is share the real content. 9th is keep on showing testimonials. 10th is create a sales bridge, which is very, very important again. 6th is filter out the serious people by asking the right questions once you have created the sales bridge. 12th is give the offer. 13th is add bonuses. 14th is create sense of urgency. And 15th is acknowledge people who come to your online paid community. So if you follow these 15 steps in your 90 minutes webinar, trust me, you're going to end up closing so many people, right? And it can go like from closing 10% to 15% as well, the people who are coming to your webinar. So just use this concept, and if you have any queries, if what you want to discuss something with me, you want to ask any question in all the 3 videos, comment down below and I'm going to answer each and every query you have related to this, how to actually conduct a profitable sales webinar. You can book a one-to-one consulting. It will be free, don't worry. You can book a free one-to-one consulting of 30 minutes with me. The link will be in the description and here somewhere as well, right? So you can book it. It will be free and just for limited people only again. And this is not for that. It will be for limited people because I give my personal time as well. So you can book it and we can connect and understand the pain points and resolve it. Okay. So do these, guys. Subscribe to the channel, share the content with all the people out there who really can get the value out from it, because these are real practical stuffs. Till we meet again, take care, cheers, bye bye, keep hustling.